All right, day 15 just finished, and I learned something I feel I already knew, but I wanted to reiterate it and try to keep it on the top of my head this time. And it's about the favorite topic I feel that helps you form bonds with new friends faster. And I think it's a very, very simple topic. It's literally just family and family history. So after the exam today, we went to a cafe that was somewhat near the Golden Temple. And at the cafe, we had, I think, maybe 6 or 7 friends around, and we're just talking about some random stuff. And it eventually went to a friend asking me whether or not I'm an only child. And the reason that she asked me was because that there were just signs that told her that I was an only child, and I told her that I was not. I definitely have siblings. But from there, I got the chance to ask each of my friends, like, you know, if they have siblings, are they close to their siblings, and just like some family stories, what's your dynamic in your family and all that stuff. And I think for me, because I have a very interesting family history, I like telling it and it means a lot to me. So I guess when I hear it from someone else and hear like whether they were close with their sibling or they fought a lot or what happened with their parents, whether or not there was like fighting or divorce, because for me, I understand what that's like. And it's just nice to share these very relatable stories with people, as well as get a chance for them to know me better, as well as have them understand more of my background and getting to hear theirs as well. These are also the same friends that I met on the first day where we did the entrance exam. So it's been about 2 weeks since we've known each other, and I think today was definitely one of the best days for us, like just bonding a bit more and getting closer and just talking in that way. Of course, there's a lot more bonding to do. There's a lot more adventures waiting, but it's just a good sort of reminder that you can be active about how much you sort of bond with new friends and how much you learn about them, as well as the topics that you guys talk about. And I think oftentimes for me, I forget that because I like letting a conversation flow to whatever is natural. But at the same time, sometimes people don't necessarily care too much if you do drive a conversation towards a specific topic. Like, I don't think anyone would mind if you just popped some random questions and wanted to get to know them better. And I think for me, especially because I'm not staying as long as some of the others, it's a good idea for me to be more proactive about getting to know others as quickly as possible, since there is a limited time that I'm gonna be spending with them. But after that, some of us went to a shrine at night, and it was very interesting. It was the first time I've ever been to sort of like an area like that at nighttime. And it was just kind of eerie, but also beautiful in its own way. So if there are some stuff like that that's open at night, consider checking it out. It's a different experience. And lastly, in the morning, I met up with a friend that I made at the piano, and he showed me an area in Yodobashi, which is the giant store with a lot of different things near Kyoto Station, next to the McDonald's and I think Starbucks and Burger King and Baskin-Robbins. That place is just awesome. There's like some electric pianos there that I now will go to a lot and play, because you don't have to take turns with the people at Kyoto Station. I still want to go to Kyoto Station and play the piano just to meet people and play that grand piano because it's awesome. But for practice and for creating original music, I think Yodobashi will serve me better, just because I'll be able to sit there nonstop and brainstorm and not worry about the person who's going next on the piano. And those were just the things that I learned in day 15 of Japan. It was definitely a full day today for sure, but I found it very fun and very informative. And it's also great to feel closer to friends that you've made. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll catch you guys in the next one.